Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block websites on Google Chrome. So let's get started. First open Chrome browser on your PC. Now go to Chrome Web Store using chrome.google.com/webstore. You will also find the link in the description. Now on the left side panel you will find Search the Store option. Here search for block site and hit enter. On the right, various extensions will be displayed. Open block site, stay focused and control your time extension. And click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension button on pop-up. Once installation is finished, page gets reloaded and this new page will be opened. Just click on Agree button to accept the privacy policy. Now type one or multiple websites that you wish to block on Chrome browser. Once done, click on green plus icon and you will find the website that you just entered are added to the blocked website list. Now let's try to access the website that we just blocked. And as you can see, the website is not getting opened and is blocked at the moment. Now in case you wish to remove the website from the block list, then simply click on the red icon on the right and the website will be unblocked. So that was a short tutorial on how to block websites on Google Chrome. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.